Hi, my name is HAZIM Gaber. We're almost done looking at Excel formats for numbers and cells. So we're going to look at text. So text, this is a short video. Basically, if you format a cell as text, it will be treated exactly like you typed it in. So you gotta remember though, if you have a cell with text, the data that's in is the data that Excel sees, and it won't modify it in any way. The reason that's messed up is because remember from all our other videos that we had percentages, we had dollars, we had fractions. Those don't convert. So if I write 100.00, or I write January 3, sorry, or I write 5/8, or I write 10%, or I write a number, it's just a number. Excel doesn't really care, but Excel will warn me that, hey, this is, you'll get an error. And the reason you'll get an error is because Excel says, hey, this is a number, but you're storing it as text. And that's not good, because you can't use a text as an equation, or in an equation. You can, but you'll get a really messed up result. We're gonna learn why later, but say I got this as currency and I try to change it to number. Even though it was text, I put $100 as text. Now if I change that to number, nothing happens. You know, $sign doesn't go away because Excel doesn't recognize this as a number. It recognizes this as text. It didn't recognize it as currency. Same with this fraction. If I go format cells and I change this to a fraction, nothing happens. So even if I go with fractions and I say I want this to be showing up as quarters, I get nothing. Absolutely no difference. That goes for any type of data that's stored as text. Text will always be stored as text. So when you're dealing with data, it's very important to think about what kind of data you're putting into your cell and set the appropriate format, and that will give you the ability to avoid problems down the road. So that about covers all of the different formats. We've also got some custom formats. You can create custom formats later. We'll discuss that. If you have any questions,